So the last one that we're going to take a look at is this number, or letter G on this worksheet. What you see here is you get two fractions, so we could either do two quotient rules and a product rule on this side, or we can go ahead and eliminate some of these fractions because the quotient rule is considerably harder than the product rule would be, and in this case we'll see just regular derivatives. So the way that you would want to get rid of this is we're going to multiply both sides by x cubed, y cubed. So whatever I do to one side, make sure you do it to the other side. So x cubed, y cubed. What this effectively does here is when you multiply this term, my x cubes cancel, and when you multiply this term, your y cubes cancel. So what that's going to help you do is have no more fractions. Over here, we'll just have a product rule, and over here, we'll just have two regular derivatives. So once you do that multiplication through, you should see that you get y to the fourth plus x to the fourth is equal to x squared, x cubed is going to be x5, y4, y3 is going to be y7. So that's what we come up with. We want to differentiate both sides. This one's going to be easy. We're just going to come out with a 4y cubed, y prime, plus 4x cubed. And then we're going to do a product rule on the other side. So we'll take the derivative of the first one, which is 5x to the fourth, times the second one, y to the seventh, plus the first one, x to the fifth, times the derivative of the second one, y to the 7, y to the sixth, y prime. So go ahead and get all my y primes on one side. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll subtract this one over, and then subtract this term over here. So you get 4y cubed, y prime, minus x to the fifth, 7y to the sixth, y prime. That's going to be equal to 5x to the fourth, y to the seventh. And then I subtracted this over, so minus 4x cubed. Okay, again we see we've got two terms, each being multiplied by a y prime, so I can factor that out. A y prime, 4y cubed, minus 7x to the fifth, y to the sixth, and that's equal to 5x to the fourth, y to the seventh, minus 4x cubed. Got just the y prime over here multiplied by this stuff, so we can just divide that over, get y prime by itself. Your final answer is going to end up being y prime. It's going to be equal to 5x to the fourth, y to the seventh, minus 4x cubed, all over 4y cubed, minus 7x to the fifth, y to the sixth. And that's your final answer.